Have you ever experienced this that your husband is busy writing messages everywhere around how difficult his marriage is, and everything is around wife being wrong or wife troubled him or stuff that has happened? So, this really, really was something that interested me because I saw that this was a very common affair with husbands, and then the jokes otherwise wouldn't be created around it, wouldn't it? And I wonder how the women feel on the other end, whether they like to be the butt of the jokes. And ऐसे नहीं है कि women don't make jokes, then they have the men jokes कि उनके husbands उनको कितना तंग कर रहे हैं. And the general talk between the women is always about कि कितना तंग कर रहे हैं husbands उन wives को, and what they should do, and probably it's not in a joke form but in a serious form of a conversation. अब ऐसा क्यों है एक रिलेशनशिप जहाँ पे सबसे ज्यादा ट्रस्ट लव अफेक्शन होना चाहिए, दो लोग एक दूसरे से बात किए बिना ये सब कर रहे हैं और एक दूसरे की जो बुराइयां हैं, इट्स लाइक सेइंग आई एम वॉशिंग द लिलन इन द पब्लिक इन अ वेरी फनी डिफरेंट वे. सब अपने आप को सही और अपने आप को ये कह रहे हैं कि मैं सही हूँ, मेरी बीवी गलत है, और बीवी कह रही है कि मैं सही हूँ, हस्बैंड गलत है. एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द जोक्स आर अबाउट बीवी जीत गई, हर आर्ग्यूमेंट वो जीत जाती है. अब कहीं पे पॉज करके आज मैं सुबह वॉक के समय आई वॉज लिसनिंग टू गबार माटे, and he was talking about his marriage and saying that he'd been married for 55 years, and he was talking about that there has to be one big event that has happened in their life where there was misunderstanding, where the wife did look so bad, where things didn't go their way, and the expectation that was hidden under it was that his wife will be not just his wife, but also she will be someone who will mother him. And so interesting, when she's mothering him, she can't be his partner. Either she can mother him or she can be his partner. Now, somewhere at a very subconscious level, it is found that men would like their lady or their first lady in their life or their wife to be like their mother. You can imagine that they are searching for a caretaker along with someone who will take care of their sexual needs as well as everyday needs. Now, this brings back when they have children, are those children becoming their siblings? Are they really becoming jealous of their own children and saying that their wife, now projected as their mother, is giving them less time but somebody else more time? And is that a common complaint कि मेरी wife मेरे को कम ध्यान देती है, but she is looking everywhere else and giving someone something, including their children, more time? Think about it.